Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Madeline from KnittingHouseSquare and today I am bringing back my holiday giveaway series. So I've done this the past few years where during the holiday season I do a few different giveaways and I always think it's a lot of fun and I get to pick out a few of my favorite things that I've worked with throughout the year. So this year we're going to be doing it using the comments down below and there's going to be 3 different giveaways. So essentially each one's going to last for a week. When one ends, the next one's going to begin. So the video you're watching right now is for my first holiday giveaway, and this week I'm going to be giving away a knitting kit. So this knitting kit is by Liverpool Yarns, which was started by a fellow Philly knitter here, Erica, who I know from Loop Yarns. I picked this kit up when I was at Loop Yarns Fall Festival, and I just thought it was so gorgeous and I love her yarn. So I'll put a picture of what the shawl looks like up on the screen right now. So you get everything in the kit that you need to be able to make the shawl, as well as the pattern. And so how I'm going to be running these giveaways is first, you just need to make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Second, make sure to like this video. And then lastly, leave your favorite weight of yarn to knit with down in the comments down below. So I'll answer first. I probably have a less popular opinion on this one, but my favorite weight of yarn to knit with is fingering weight. I know, not quite as popular as some of the bulkier weights, but that's my personal favorite. So let me know down in those comments down below which one is your favorite. And then 1 week from today, so Tuesday, December 7th, I'm going to close this giveaway at 5 p.m., select a winner, and then I'll respond to your comment if you've won. So just make sure when you're looking at the response that it is coming from my account. So my account, if you click on the name next to it, it should take you back to my homepage where all my knitting patterns are. And then if you're sending an email, make sure you're sending it to my email account, which is always listed in the description box down below. So I hope you're excited to see what the next 2 giveaways are. I'll see you back here again next Tuesday for the next giveaway. Bye.